guys, it's Kelly with Cowtown Cottages here in Waxahachie, Texas. And today we're going to tour what I'm calling the Klark, which is basically the Kelley-ized Lark, okay? So I love this floor plan for so many reasons, but because I actually live in a tiny home, the Lark on its own is completely insufficient. So I want to show you some of the things I did to make it way more successful for full-time living. So we're in the living room. The Lark always comes with a large living room, but normally that space goes all the way in. Well, this floor plan in its original form has a galley kitchen. Yes, it has this large space for a dining room, but the storage capabilities in an original Lark are not sufficient for what you're going to need to successfully live here full time. So what I've done to help with that is I've added this beautiful hutch. In order for me to add this hutch with 42-inch cabinets, I had to put these little side walls in the loft so that it accommodated the side of the cabinets. So this hutch is wonderful. This is your pantry here. This is for all of your storage needs, silverware, linens, anything you may need, Tupperware, foil, all the things. So this is a lot of storage here, and then also great prep space right here. So you're prepping food, here's the sink, back and forth. And then your stove is down here, which is where it typically is, and then right to the refrigerator. But this is what I also love about the house. This is a very wide walkway. So when you come in, not only do you have the open ceilings, open kitchen, but you have this really great space in the width of it to come down the hall. Now let me show you what I did to the Lark's bathroom. In the typical Lark, you had just the sink and the toilet. There was no storage. So what do we have to do? We had to Kelley-ize it. So we created this great vanity here, lots of storage there, 6 drawers, plenty of space for each family member to have their own drawer, still have the cabinet above, toilet here with this beautiful walk-in shower. This floor plan can still have the tub even though there's no linen there on the outside. So don't think that you can't do that. This is still a great floor plan for a tub. In fact, I think you see you have a little bit right here to compensate for that. And so I've done this with a tub, I've done it without a tub. In this one, we actually did the handicap bars because we love this floor plan for aging in place. So come this way, let's talk about the bedroom. One of the other amazing things about the Lark is this is one of the few floor plans that can have a queen or a king. So we opted for a queen just simply because that's what we had to stage the home, but this floor plan holds a king beautifully. And a lot of people will say, Kelly, you know, your bedrooms are beautiful with your signature design, but we really love a nightstand. The Lark is your floor plan. So large nightstands with a queen bed. If it's a king bed, you still get a nightstand. It just won't be quite as wide. And then you have this whole space to do whatever you want. We opted for shiplap here this time. And then the other thing that the Lark has, which everybody loves, is the Lark has this great closet. As usual, we do the double rod scenario. And then I always like to add a light in the closets when they're this big, and then I always add a plug in the closet so that way you have a place to plug in your vacuum cleaner if that's where you need to put one. So I love the closet, I love the space. The other great thing about this floor plan is you could even move this queen bed all the way over, and then that would give you place to have a full dresser to use as your nightstand and storage. That would even give you more room to put a desk in front of the window because you've moved the bed over. So the Lark has a lot of phenomenal abilities to meet almost every need you could imagine in tiny home living. So come this way and we'll talk about the loft real quick. Something you should know is that we like to try to add this additional storage of the drawers and the steps. This is an upgrade. So it's an upgrade to add the drawers. It's also an upgrade to do wood steps instead of carpet. But you need to know that when you opt for this option, it makes this tread shorter. So if you are concerned about safety, if you are someone that's going to be using your loft a lot, it's not just for guests, you might want to forego the storage so that you have the deeper tread just so you get your footing if you're going to use it every day. In mine that I live in, I did not do the drawers because I'm going up and down those stairs every day. So that is just something to know, the difference in between. In this particular loft, we we made it a little bit shorter because we wanted tall ceilings in the kitchen, but you can opt to do it a different way if you custom design it. You can bring the loft over the kitchen, and then you could have 2 beds up, or even add a clothes closet up. But for now, it's just your basic loft. It can definitely house a guest. It can house a home office. It can function in a lot of ways to you. I hope you have enjoyed the Kelley-ized Lark. Come see us in Waxahachie. We're Cowtown Cottages. Thanks for watching.